The search box represents a significant gap between interface design and engineering reality. To the user, it's just a single empty field. A user inputs a string of messy, typo-ridden text, like python, data, and list, expecting the system to instantly present exactly what they intended to find. Fulfilling that expectation is not a basic database lookup. Interpreting and searching human language is a distinct engineering domain. Traditional retrieval assumes the user knows the exact location of their data. A modern discovery engine must instead interpret intent to surface relevant results. Mastering this architecture is the line separating a frustrating platform full of empty states from one that delivers instant, frictionless value. A common early-stage approach is to rely on a relational database using a standard SQL query, asking the system to find records where a title is like a specific keyword. This illustrates the limitation of the SQL approach. The database strictly scans for exact character matches. A simple typo returns 0 matches. Furthermore, row-by-row scanning creates a massive bottleneck. As datasets scale to millions of records, query times increase exponentially. Relational databases are blind to linguistics. They cannot group variations of a word, recognize synonyms, or calculate which result is actually the most useful to the user. Because relational databases are built for transactional integrity, they are structurally incapable of acting as natural language discovery engines. Building a modern search system begins with structural decoupling. The searchable data is pushed outward from the primary database into a dedicated search engine like Elasticsearch or OpenSearch. The primary database remains the definitive source of truth for all transactional records, payments, and system state. Instead of relational tables, search engines store data as flattened JSON documents optimized for rapid retrieval. Engineers define mappings to control data behavior. A title maps as analyzed text for partial matches, while a unique ID maps as a strict keyword for exact lookups. This decoupling allows the system to treat text as pliable, searchable data, rather than a static character string. Before a document is stored in the index, it must pass through an analysis pipeline. The first phase is tokenization, where a continuous string of text is broken into distinct terms. The engine then applies normalization, converting text to lowercase and removing stop words like to or the that offer no value. Next is stemming. Suffixes are stripped away, reducing variations of a word to their root. A user searching for programming will now successfully match the root token program. Finally, these tokens are stored in an inverted index, which allows the engine to instantly identify every document containing a specific term. Full-text analysis is the bridge between the precise way content is written and the unpredictable way users query it. Finding matching documents is only half the battle. The real engineering challenge is ranking them by their usefulness to the user. Search engines use scoring algorithms like BM25 to calculate mathematical relevance. These models look at term frequency, how often a word appears, relative to the overall density of the document. Field importance dictates the score. A match in a document's title receives a much higher multiplier than that same keyword buried deep within a long description.
Engineers influence these rankings by injecting specific business logic, mathematically favoring documents based on popularity, ratings, or publication dates. This requires careful calibration. Overboosting a metric like popularity can bury highly relevant matches underneath older content that simply has higher traffic, predictable, filled with misspellings and industry-specific jargon. To handle typos, architects use fuzzy search. This calculates the edit distance between an input and a known token, recognizing that JavaScript is only one character away from JavaScript. For industry terms, engineers map domain synonyms. Configuring the acronym ML to map to machine learning prevents empty results when a user utilizes shorthand. However, these tools must be tuned precisely. Overly broad, fuzzy matching or poorly maintained synonym lists will eventually return irrelevant results. A robust search engine must tolerate human error while maintaining strict precision. Revisiting the macro architecture, decoupling the search engine from the database introduces a risk of data becoming stale. The solution is event-driven, asynchronous indexing. When a record changes, the database fires an event through a message queue to keep the search engine updated. In enterprise environments, security is just as critical as synchronization. Filtering sensitive data on the front end is a severe security flaw. Back-end queries must strictly enforce access limits, such as a tenant ID, to ensure users only see data they are authorized to access. A search engine is only viable if it is as perfectly synchronized and strictly secure as the database it serves.
Traditional keyword matching has a hard limit. If the specific words do not match, the engine cannot account for the user's actual intent. This is solved by vector search. Text is mathematically converted into embeddings, numerical representations of semantic meaning rather than just character strings. Natural language queries map to this dimensional space. A search for career in AI governance finds conceptual matches like responsible AI or compliance, even without matching keywords. Vector search can, however, return results that are conceptually related but technically inaccurate due to the lack of rigid keyword constraints. While semantic search solves these vocabulary gaps, it requires the precision of keyword matching to function safely in an enterprise application. Hybrid search is the architectural pattern that bridges these two contrasting methodologies. A hybrid architecture concurrently calculates a keyword relevance score and a vector similarity score, fusing them into a final ranked list. It then layers strict metadata filters over these semantic results to ensure accuracy and enforce security permissions. This allows the system to handle vague queries while strictly respecting business logic and access limits. This hybrid architecture provides a robust framework for a modern discovery engine, balancing intent, precision, and security. The transition from a single table SQL query to a decoupled, tokenized, and mathematically scored hybrid architecture is a significant architectural lift. A search box is not just a UI component, but the entry point to an intelligent, asynchronous pipeline. Superior search engineering turns a basic lookup task into an intuitive, frictionless discovery process.